you heard of IKEA effect of selling? So this term basically came from IKEA showroom where customers would assemble the furniture for buying. Now, how does this IKEA effect help you in selling high-priced product and services? There are a lot of examples of the products and services and big organizations that are already using IKEA effect. IKEA furniture being one. Number two, if you go to Starbucks, they also use IKEA effect where they give you the option of customizing your coffee. Number three, I'm very sure most of you would have gone to Subway. They also give you option to customize your sub where you can choose the toppings, where you can choose what kind of mayo you want to put in. So this all is basically IKEA effect. Telling it in a layman term, IKEA effect basically means involving the customer in creating the product and services. Now, I've given enough examples for product companies. How can you do it for your service companies? So, for example, you are selling a fitness coaching program. So, in order to bring the involvement of the customer, what you can do is you can give the option to choose the timing as per their convenience. You can do goal setting with the customer where you are sitting with them together. They come up with the goal that, okay, this is what I want to achieve. This is the weight I want to reduce. Or, these are the different parameters on my health where I want to work. So basically, IKEA effect helps you in selling higher priced products as when the customer is directly involved in creating the product or services, then they feel more valued and in turn of that, they are ready to pay you higher prices. So how are you going to use IKEA effect in your product and services? Tell us in the comments.